Hello friends, today we are going to see two types of coconut rice. The first one is prasadam coconut rice. The second coconut rice is unconventional. As a child, I used to love the coconut rice served as prasadam at temples. So today let's make prasadam style coconut rice. To warm cooked rice, I've added ghee and salt. Add a small portion of the coconut to a mixer, add some water, sugar and make a paste. Keep this aside. Heat only coconut oil. Add chana dal, urad dal and stir for a minute. Now add mustard seeds, red chillies, some cashew nuts and stir until the cashew nuts turn color. Add a little bit of asafoetida, some ginger, green chilies chopped, curry leaves and stir. Now let's add the grated coconut. This is 4 cups, 1 full coconut. Add some salt. Add the paste that we have made. Stir on a medium flame for 2 minutes. Now let's add the cooked rice and stir only on high flame for 2 minutes. Yummy coconut rice is ready. Now let's look at the second type of coconut rice that I would like to call coconut rice with a twist. This is an unconventional coconut rice yet very tasty. To cook rice, add some salt and mix it well. Keep it aside. Heat coconut oil, add chana dal, add urad dal and fry until the lentils turn golden and then add mustard seeds, dry red chilies, bay leaf, fennel seeds or saunf, hing or asafoetida, kaju or cashew nuts, kismis or raisins, kadi patta curry leaves. Fry on a low flame till the cashew nuts turn golden. Now add green chilies and grated coconut. Fry until coconut turns light golden. Now add the cooked rice. Now fry on a high flame for 2 minutes. Add sliced ginger, adding fried onions. You can add freshly chopped onions at the time of tempering after frying the nuts. I already fried onions for some other dish and I'm using it now. I added it this stage. Add some coriander leaves. Enjoy yummy coconut rice. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe if you haven't. Leave us a comment and share the video. Bye.